Hello, my name is Isabel. I'm so grateful for you stopping by at my channel, and I plead with you to watch till the end. Today I'll be showing you how I usually do my DIY aloe vera, fenugreek and cloves leave-in hairspray. So first of all, let's go to my small garden to harvest our aloe vera. Aloe vera actually is very helpful for your hair growth. It contains so many vitamins like vitamins A, it has vitamin C, it has vitamin K, which all helps to contribute to the hair growth and makes your hair shiny. Aloe vera cleanses hair shaft efficiently and helps in stripping off extra sebum and residues from any other hair products that you've been using. Actually, aloe vera is very gentle on your scalp. Its cooling effect is just so amazing on the scalp. Here we have our cloves. They are very rich in vitamins A, C, K, and have minerals like iron, sodium, calcium, magnesium, which are all essential for hair growth. It stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, which helps in hair growth. It helps to get rid of dandruff, itchy scalps, as it contains anti-itch ingredients. Its antioxidant will help to prevent premature hair growing. Fenugreek is very rich in folic acid, vitamins A, K, C, which are a storehouse of minerals, which are beneficial against hair fall, against dandruff. It will help in treating scalp issues like dryness of hair, baldness, and hair thinning. It has a large amount of lecithin, which helps to hydrate the hair and strengthen hair follicles. Fenugreek seed also helps in moisturizing your hair and bringing back the luster and bounce. So at this moment, I'm just going to take our cloves and our fenugreek. Since I didn't have time of you can soak them overnight, but I didn't soak them, so I'm just going to boil them. I'm going to boil my fenugreek and the cloves together. At this moment, I will scoop out my gel from the aloe vera. Yes, I'm just scooping out the gel from the aloe vera. Our gel is ready. So what I'm going to do is that I will take the water from the boiled fenugreek and cloves. I will use this water to help to blend the aloe vera gel. Since I need to mix the three, so I'm not going to thinking of struggle to blend this gel. I will just use the water from the other two ingredients to blend my aloe vera gel. So you can see this is the blended aloe vera gel. I will go ahead to strain it. I will just strain the aloe vera. You can see the dark color is from the cloves and fenugreek. So I will go ahead to do the straining. After the straining, I will add our coconut virgin oil. Coconut will help to moisturize.
Where would I be today? If not for you, who would have saved my life? If not for you, Jehovah, if not for you, Omega, Onyewe, Agamne, Kelegi.
See, I didn't want to waste any water, so I'm just going to strain the remaining water from the fenugreek and the cloves together. Here I'm adding my coconut virgin oil. I will be adding 2 tablespoons. This will help to moisturize the hair. You can equally add like a fragrance oil like lavender, lemon, just to prevent any smell, but this does not really have any smell. Since you spray overnight, the next day there's no smell at all.
When the oceans rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the flood, and I will be still and know you are God.
So our DIY
Rest my soul.
leave-in spray is ready. So I will go ahead to turn them into this spray bottle.
Christ alone.
My spray bottles are very tiny, so I'll be using many of them. So I will just go ahead to turn them to my spray bottles.
His power in quietness and trust. When the oceans rise and thunders,
And that is it, guys. You can see it's very simple. You just need to boil the fenugreek and the cloves together. Use it to blend your aloe vera gel, and then add your oil and your fragrance of your choice, and your leave-in spray is ready. So with this, I'm going to store them in the fridge, and this so they will not get bad. I spray them every night. This helps, like, it's really good for hair growth. Make your hair very soft and shiny equally. Hello, and we've come to the end of this video. Please do not forget to like and share, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.